Magandang umaga sa lahat. The YouTube channel of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Limbas Locon is back to once again render service in the field of law for our countrymen or pagbahagi ng aming kaunting kaalaman sa larangan ng batas para sa sambayanang Pilipino. Brought to you by the Limbas Marangal Eagles Club of the Eastern Rizal Region 2. Okay, so anong topic? Well, kahapon ng hapon, 3 February 2024, pagkatapos ng aming klase sa Polytechnic University of the Philippines College of Law in Manila, may nangonsulta isang wife dahil yung asawa niya ay kasalukuyang nagkakulong, na-aresto by virtue of a warrant of arrest issued by the Regional Trial Court for the crime of murder. But ano yung topic specifically? Well, ang sabi niya, wala naman silang natanggap na subpoena daw. Okay. Mula sa Office of the Prosecutor for the conduct of a preliminary investigation. Well, in this case, since the crime is murder, preliminary investigation is a matter of right on the part of the accused. Iwala nga. So, binasa ko yung resolution. Hindi rin nakasulat doon sa resolution ng prosecutor kung pinadalhan nila ng subpoena. Wala. Silensyo. But of course, doon sa information, merong certification ang prosecutor na meron di umanong preliminary investigation. So, ano ang remedy? Sabi ko ang remedy, tika muna. Tingnan mo nga sa prosecutor kung talagang nagpadala ng subpoena. Baka nagpadala, baka hindi rin. Right? Kasi hindi maliwanag dun sa resolution ng prosecutor kung nagpadala sila ng subpoena. Although, maliwanag din naman sa information that the prosecutor conducted a preliminary investigation. So halimbawa, wala pala talagang subpoena na pinadala ang prosecutor, ay maliwanag that there was no preliminary investigation conducted despite the certification by the public prosecutor in the information that a preliminary investigation was conducted. So, ano ang remedy? Well, the remedy of the accused in this case then is that he should file a manifestation in court before arraignment that no preliminary investigation was conducted actually by whom? By the prosecutor. And he should insist that the exercise of his right to a preliminary investigation and the case be referred back to whom? To the office of the prosecutor for the conduct of a preliminary investigation. Not re-investigation. Bakit? Wala nga ang preliminary investigation kung wala nga talagang subpoenang pinadala ang tanggapan ng prosecutor. Okay. Of course, maraming remedies doon. Isa lang yon sa mga remedy. Right? O sana nakapaglingkod na naman itong aming Eagles Club, brought to you by the Limbas Marangal Eagles Club nga naman ng Eastern Rizal Region 2 sa pamamagitan ng inyong lingkod na isang abogado at isang guro sa maraming law school sa ating bansa. Isa na doon yung Sintang Paaralan, the Polytechnic University of the Philippines College of Law in Santa Mesa, Manila. Maraming salamat.